Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla, you see. Now, the Minister of National Security for Jamaica, of course, Dr. Horace Chang, and his bodyguard were involved in a very serious car accident this morning on Grand Spen Road, St. Andrew. It has been reported that about 6 a.m. this morning, the Wednesday, which is the 15th of May, the minister was traveling in a Prado SUV, his official car, and with sirens on, when time they collided with a Mitsubishi station wagon right in the intersection of Shortwood and Grand Spen Road, right? It has been reported that no life-threatening injuries, but however, the minister and his bodyguard were rushed to the medical facilities for further treatment. You see me, I said to you, this accident, I tell you, take place this morning at around 6 a.m. You see, as again, me say, on Shortwood Road, you don't say a thing. Now, would I really like to take a little time out to say one thing? Whenever you hear siren, you see me, because this is something where a lot of motorists don't really take very serious. Whenever you hear siren on the road coming, it's an indication for you to slow down and take your time. You see me, I say no. It hasn't been reported who did wrong in the first place. You see me? There's no report whether it be the Mitsubishi wrong or the Prado wrong. I'm just saying this off of the top of my head because this is a very serious little matter some of the times. You see me? I say, alright. But anyways, there you have it. The Minister of National Security involved in a serious car accident on Grand Spen Road. So as I've always, I don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think, and read the comment for any updates on certain situations. Alright? My name is Skilla and this is just the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it?